Hi Arjun, hi Irfan. Welcome to the show.
Hi Madhurita, how are you?
Very well. Okay, Nikhil Advani hasn't made a film like this in the past. He's known for his very family entertainers. And this, from what the promos theme, it's very hard hitting. So did you have any reservation when you discussed the script and that was offered to you, Arjun?
Well, I think, yeah. I mean, when Nikhil... in fact, he didn't even have the script initially because he was coming on the sets of Inkar a lot because he's very good friends with Sudhir. And his inspiration was when Osama got caught in Pakistan.
Wow.
And he said, if they can go, Americans can go in and do that, then why can't Indians? And he wanted to make a subject according to that. And he wanted to treat it in a very realistic, gritty, very, very real, properly researched manner that if a mission like this had to happen, then how would it happen? And he told me that. And I said, dude, you made Kal Ho Na Ho, you made Salame-Ishq. I think there could be a difference between your reality and mine, about how that gap can be bridged.
Irfan, were you more cautious?
He came to me with the script.
Okay.
Actually, and he was not trying to discuss the subject or something. He said, I'll just narrate and you take a call. And he started narrating and I never expected a script like that from him. In the sense that there's so much, it was so true drama.
Right.
Because there are, this film is about spies.
Right.
And we tend to leave the real drama in the film, and we tend to do stereotypical way of how the spy works and things like that. So I was surprised how come he really went inside the subject, and he has really created a drama which sounds so true and so gritty and so topical. So my only concern was whether he is going the same way the way his script is written,
or
will he try to make it more filmy. So that was my concern, and that was I was trying to test. I was trying to ask him questions. I was trying to understand whether he wants to go filmy. Then I'll have to take a filmy approach to the character. So I don't want to be hanging around in between where he's trying to make a filmy film and I'm trying to bring elements
from doing
it.
Because you also met raw agents, right, for this role?
Yeah. They were involved with us even on a script level, so that he would just get it right. And they said this happens. A lot of our people go in there and they start leading these lives, and they get lost. It's very difficult for us to pull them out from there when we have to pull them out. So yeah, I think, and most importantly, I think it's a human story. It's a story which has got a lot of emotion in it. My wife saw it. I was really scared.
I believe you were very nervous about showing it to Meher, right?
Yeah, because she also, she's not only brutally honest and frank, but I really wanted a woman's opinion on this film. Okay, and I knew she'd give me the right one. And she was absolutely, she said, wow.
But often what happens in spy thrillers is that, for example, like Agent Vinod, it was very stylized and it just loses content. So you need to have the right balance.
But that's what he was saying.
Spy thriller is something very stylish, right?
No, that's what Irfan's saying. Even my belief is that every time you've gone into a raw agent and who can be an agent in India? Only raw, right? So they say, acha, raw agent hoga, ye hoga. But their perception of the raw agent is he's James Bond. So you slick him out, he's driving a cool car, he's got the girls, he's got all of that. And these raw agents, I'm sure they must be looking at it and saying, Kash. Kash ye hamari zindagi hoti, but it's not. Because when Nikhil narrated to the raw agents the script for the first time, and they said, so who are you taking? They said, script is fantastic. They were shocked. They said, if a mission like this had to happen, it would happen exactly like this. They said, so who are you casting? And he said, we're taking Arjun Rampal and Irfan Khan. And he said, you've got it all wrong. So he said, really? He said, really, why? He said, because these two guys are going to stick out like sore thumb. He says, raw agents, when they go in there, you, firstly, if they're sending somebody into Karachi, he cannot be a Hindu. He will be a Muslim. Okay? And he will go in there and he'll be like that. Okay, so, and he has to blend into that environment. And we don't see an Arjun Rampal blending into this environment.
Okay.
And that day, my wardrobe budget got cut. Okay, and I think they bought all my clothes from Andheri, outside Andheri station for 2,000 rupees, my wardrobe. I grew my beard. I learned to read the namaz. Okay, and did all of that just so that you can, go into that area and look believable. same thing with Irfan. I remember he was extremely nervous. He knows he can go and do it.
Right,
You know,
yeah.
he can do it, and he would get into that character. But he was so concerned about who his wife is going to be. And he'll tell you. He'll tell you how crazy it was for him. The whole
I
experience.
was really concerned because my story, it was very important for me to get the right wife. You know, everybody needs a right wife.
Yeah.
In this story, my
Super
story,
important.
Yeah. Can see.
my story, it would have affected a lot.
Okay.
We would have a wrong casting or a face which we already knew. So we couldn't find anybody here, with good Urdu and who can work on her Karachi accent. So Nikhil said, we can cast somebody from Iran. And he showed me some photographs.
Look at him. He said Iran. You got a smile on his
No.
face. Also, you somebody from
Just
Iran.
so joyful.
They were actresses. They were not,
Okay.
So I said, yeah, they look good, they're excellent. He said, but what about the accent?
Yeah.
I said, we'll manage. Just bring them.
Irfan, I was reading an interview of yours where very nicely you were talking about how you like the vulnerability on screen. You like the spontaneity. So are you a similar kind of actor, Arjun? Are you more prepared, or are you as spontaneous and...
I don't think, like a lot of
as
people
Irfan.
say about spontaneity
Yeah.
and all of that, but spontaneity for me comes from good preparation.
Okay.
You cannot be spontaneous and just get out of character,
Right.
or do something to the script which you are not clear about,
Okay.
and say something. You have to really feel for the character, and then something comes out, and it just comes out. It's not something that you feel, Acha, or you can ask, I think I should say this, or maybe I
Yeah.
should do this at this point, but because you're feeling for that character. He is crazy. I mean, he can do the same scene. I think if there are 8 takes of that scene, he'll do all 8 completely differently. And that's how amazing he is as an actor, and that's the kind of depth he pulls out. So next time if I do a movie with Irfan Khan, I won't be researching my character. I'll be researching Irfan Khan.
Tell us, Irfan, really.
For me, it's
Yeah.
important not to repeat. I hate repetition. That's why I don't repeat myself in films, and I don't want to bring too much of myself in a character. I try to find other worlds which are fascinating, which are new to me. Same thing happens in the short.
We also heard that you guys were a little unhappy about the date of release of the film. Is that true?
Who wouldn't be unhappy releasing in Ramzan? I mean, when you say you're going to release in Ramzan and you know there is a certain audience
Who
that
probably not
doesn't
go and
go
watch
out
it.
there to go watch a movie. I mean, anybody says, yeah, I'm releasing in Ramzan. I haven't seen anybody get that kind of a reaction. But unfortunately, we have to release in Ramzan, and I and Irfan are not the producers of this movie. So we have to go with it, and hopefully we will be there till Diwali so that people can
Inshallah, of course.
watch the movie
Yeah.
even through Eid and all the way till Diwali.
Irfan, you won a national award recently. Your roles in the work you've done has always been appreciated. How much difference does it make to you really as an actor?
It makes a lot of difference.
Yeah.
You feel nice about your work, and you feel great, and you feel inspired.
Yeah.
You feel that your work is reaching people. You feel your work is making difference.
A national
Yeah.
award has not been
Yeah.
bastardized.
Exactly.
I mean,
Absolutely.
let's not mince our words. You
Yeah.
know what the awards have
Yeah.
become today.
Yeah.
It's like one big TV
I mean,
show.
you've got a national award too, Arjun.
Yeah, so
did
I am-
life change for you after that, Arjun?
As Irfan said, you feel. I mean, for Joe to get that national award, is a character really, really close to my heart. You really feel that there's somebody out there who really felt it, and you go to that place and you sit there, and there's a decorum. The first time people call you for a rehearsal, they don't pay you anything. There's nothing. You fly on an Indian Airlines flight. Okay, you get there. You have they give you that ticket. Okay, you
Economy
go
class.
economy class, and you should do it like that.
Wow, really?
And you must experience it like that. I feel. Do it, and you go there, and there is a dummy president first standing there in the rehearsal.
Rehearsal?
Yeah, because you can't back the president. That's what they teach you, and your name will be taken. Okay, you get some passes, and you get a per day, like Irfan was saying. Okay, and उनको बुरा भी लगता है जब per day मेरा per day नहीं है किधर है. But really, it has got so much of these wonderful talent out there. Okay, you're one of them, and you can't stop smiling.
Irfan, you were saying somewhere that you were very happy to be chasing Rishi Kapoor in this film.
So for me, I never imagined I will work with Rishi Kapoor.
Yeah.
And I loved him as an actor.
Yeah.
He's been so fresh all the time. Even in his second innings, he is fantastic.
Brilliant.
Brilliant, because he's an actor.
Yeah.
So he used to chase girls, but this time we were chasing him.
You know, Irfan, we heard that you've launched a production house. Tell us about that. Where did the idea come from?
The idea was to see what happened to Pan Singh. It was released after quite a long time.
Yeah.
And there was a long period we were really feeling frustrated, and we thought, I wish the film was with us.
Right.
And that's the reason, and because the times are changing and there are stories which I believe in, and I would love to be part of those stories, and I would love to be supporting those stories. I would love to co-produce them. The idea is not to earn money as a producer. The idea is to just make them come to life.
The two of you as actors, I must ask you all this. Do you see a very big change in what's happening in the industry, to the kind of movies that are being made, the subjects are being made, roles for actresses, roles for supporting actors? Everyone is somewhere, even the writers, the film writers, everyone somewhere is getting their due. And also there was a point where we thought only actors sell movies, which I'm sure they still do. But now you can say Anurag Kashyap film, people will go and watch it.
But directors have been, they were always...
But Irfan, the recall is a lot for, people like us, non-industry people, they suddenly know who's Sujit Sarkar, even with 1 or 2 film old. Okay, so recall is a lot more.
Yeah, even Anurag Kashyap, he's taken his time. For Black Friday, I remember, which took so long. It didn't release actually properly. And was I think it was one of his most wonderful films.
Yeah.
But he stayed with it. I think credibility is what's very important in anything you do in life. If it is to write a review, if it is to, act, if it is to direct or whatever, people go with your credibility. Will I go and promote a movie if I don't believe in it, even if it's my movie? Maybe not. And I really gave that a long thought. But now in my contract, I have a clause which says, I won't give you those 20 days if I don't like the movie.
Right. Oh, wow.
Yeah.
Really?
Yeah. I put it in.
But is that a done thing or
No, it's not.
Okay.
But I would, because finally it's not in my hands how the film shapes up.
Right, exactly.
And sometimes you don't like the way the film is shaped up, and then you're supposed to go and lie to your audience about it. I don't think that kills your credibility.
Irfan, would you do that?
Marketing itself is like a stress. You don't enjoy. You enjoy working in film, you enjoy acting, but selling the film or talking about it, it doesn't come naturally to me. Sometimes what happens, if you're not connected to the film, if you're not enjoying what the final product is there, then it becomes doubly difficult for you to talk about it and say tell people that you come and watch this.
Arjun, have you ever thought about Hollywood? Have you discussed it with Irfan, considering I must have spent time doing this film?
Yeah, and my wife said we both look really good together, so Irfan's going to call up Ang Lee, and then maybe Brokeback Mountain 2 will be in together.
Not bad. No, but really, have you, Arjun? Ever thought?
I've never. You always see their films. You really appreciate it. We got to work with somebody from the A-grade level of Hollywood, and Tom Struthers, and really, it was a wonderful experience. It's a different process, really. Irfan would know better about it. You have to get an agent. You have to go there. You have to go and spend time there. And do I have time to do all of that right now? I don't know. I don't know.
Still, the market is not, just waiting for you. It's a very, very, very...
It's still very straightforward.
Very competitive market.
Okay.
I've seen actors just being on a high because they have few auditions this month. Just for auditions, they're happy. Even if they get audition, they're thinking something is happening in their life. I think I heard, some casting director called me and we were discussing the project, and she said, there was an actor from India, he's just given audition, and I think it was John. John who gave audition. And there are actors who have tried a lot, there. But the most important thing is we are not habitual of giving audition. Like still, when they call me for audition, I said no, I'm not going to do the part. I tried.
Why?
Because it doesn't happen. Because if
Isn't it the most unreal thing next to a camera?
Because you're not into the
you're driving a car.
Yeah.
Okay. I don't up the window. Okay. Come on.
No, I don't think they will give you this situation. But definitely, we in Indian industry, we are not habitual of giving audition. But there, everybody is prepared to do the audition.
Really?
Like Brando was giving audition for Godfather. Godfather. He gave audition for Godfather.
That was incredible.
That I've heard,
He put the cotton in his mouth and he turned around and he said,
So
he just said one line. He said, I make them an offer, they cannot refuse. And that was it. Coppola said, cut. And
there it was.
he said, I want him, and he is the Godfather, and he fought tooth and nail and got him. even though they
they're in
paid him
their
less
system,
money.
you know.
Anyways, that's another story.
It's part of the system. Yeah, but for Hollywood films, do you give auditions, Irfan?
No. Whenever I gave audition, I never got the part.
It has. I swear,
Yeah.
the same thing has happened with me. I am a superstitious about auditions. I see that tape and that camera whenever I've gone from my modeling days
Yeah.
till as an actor. Whenever I've gone for an audition and whenever they've tried to test me, I have never got
That's
the
an
part.
interesting
It is the
superstition.
most humiliating thing in the world.
Oh my
Yeah.
God.
Yeah.
And I've refused a part in this film, which was an Oscar. Anupam Kher did that part, you know.
Oh yes, yes.
Silver Lining Playbook.
Silver Lining Playbook.
Oh, really?
I said I'm not doing that.
For the doctor's part.
Doctor's part.
Because of the audition.
Audition.
No,
so
but
my
you
manager
didn't do
knows.
it also.
Huh?
You were good you didn't do it.
So mean. Come on.
No, Anupam sir
Yeah.
was very, very good in it.
Yeah.
I'm not saying it like that.
But I read the
after he's
script.
done something like A Life of
Exactly,
Pi,
it was a-
and
yeah, I
you know,
get
I think it would have.
But I read the script. It was a pivotal part. I don't know how much it.
No, it was.
It was there.
So what are you guys going to do on D-Day? Are you the kinds who get very nervous, Arjun?
I think you get nervous before
Yeah.
any release of your film. You know, you get. It really kicks in at that point in time. Right now, we're just talking and
Yeah.
saying whatever we have to
Exactly.
do. But when it comes, the audience really goes in there who are the real judge of your work and how they're going to appreciate it and the choice that you made and put your work into it. It is a nerve-wracking time.
Irfan, what about you?
Every time I think, you know, I've overcome this tendency, you know, I think, you know, I'll be okay. But as you said, you know, it starts kicking in when the film is releasing.
We're all waiting for the D-Day. So wish you both a lot of luck and thank
Thanks,
you, Arjun, and
Madhurita.
thank you, Irfan.
It was
for being on the
lovely.
show. Thank you so much.
Thank you.